how to start secret chat in Imo. Firstly, the main point, as you open up or launch application, it is going to the right session or getting to the right session right now. It is simply going from your chat selections, which are on the first side screen, then open up sideline for going on someone. For example, you can go with this group selection, go tap on the plus icon on the last section, and as you can see right here, it doesn't show you that selection. And if you go, for example, for chat selection with someone, for example with this person, and as you go on the three dots right here, go on the plus icon and also see for secret chat, which is right here on the third selection. And if she or he doesn't have, that set up for a secret chat, you're not going to be available to use it. But if she or he has that settable or suitable feature for getting a setup for secret chat, and then you're going to be available to use it. But for now, you know how to start it. Simply you're going to tap it here and then it will take up to the main point.